So this is where you really start adding now your lights. Can you see? I'm really now working with the edge of my knife. So now look at how nice this looks with the blues. Can you see that? And there's actually a very light. So it's layer, layer, layer. The more you layer, the nicer it's gonna become. So this has actually got a bit of coolness here. So now I'm laying the coolness over the warm that I put underneath. So now I want to make sure that this is, so for me, this is lighter than that. Do you agree? So I need to go lighter, and it's got a hint of warmth in it. So I'm going to do, because this has got more cool. So there we go. Can you see now? So I'm quite cautious how I put it on actually. So now I need to look, is there enough contrast? So I need to add more contrast. So I